can see that two guys, very young. I can see that they are honest, because he said to me, don't tell them that you are the one get error of using your tablet. Just bring the guarantee reset and tell them that not charging anymore. That's all. Don't tell them, because if you tell, they don't what they call that, hindi daw pa anuhin ang anong tawag nito, yung guarantee ba, kasi ang guarantee only when the smartphone not function well,